1 pan, creamy gnocchi and spicy chicken. Creamy gnocchi with spicy chicken is a simple and delicious idea for your dinner. It's hearty, soft, and full of flavor. You can use store-bought potato gnocchi and fresh chicken breasts. Also, I love to add mushrooms to make the sauce more creamy. Take champignons, cut them into small pieces. Grate 150 grams Parmesan with a grater. Chop the shallot onions finely. Cut chicken breast to 3 to 4 pieces. And season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and chili pepper flakes if you love spicy food. In a large, deep skillet with 3 tablespoons of olive oil over high heat, cook the chicken on both sides until done. Normally 5 to 6 minutes per side. Remove from skillet. Cook onions and mushrooms until golden. Add sliced fresh garlic. Add 400 milliliters of broth. Bring to a simmer. Stir in gnocchi. And 150 grams freshly grated Parmesan. Season with salt and fresh thyme leaves. Add 150 grams of shredded mozzarella. Stir until melted. Then add spinach and stir until wilted. Return slices of chicken to the skillet or individual dishes. Enjoy your tasty 1-pan creamy gnocchi and spicy chicken. Please write your comments below if you like this recipe and subscribe to my channel.